Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix touchscreen not working issue in iPhone 14 Pro Max. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all clean your screen. If you have installed any protector or anything on your screen, then remove it and clean your screen from dust and water particles. So after cleaning your screen, remove all the extra accessories. If you have attached any accessories, then disconnect them, and after that your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then open settings, scroll down, and here click on general, and then scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. Now here click on reset and then click on reset all settings. Now enter the lock screen passcode and then enter the screen time passcode, and after that again click on reset all settings. So when you click on reset all settings, it will reset all your iPhone settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after doing this, your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then try not using your mobile while charging. And if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. Now swipe this icon to right side to restart your iPhone, and after restarting your problem will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.